Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new episode of Simple Yet Gorgeous. And today I am going to show you what I ate throughout this week for my breakfast. Now breakfast सुन के you might be wondering कि कुछ sweet होने वाला है, but no. I am among those जो सुबह बिल्कुल sweet नहीं खा सकती. I need something spicy, salty, at least not sweet. एकदम spicy नहीं, but not sweet. So stay tuned until the end, especially those who are like me. This video is for you. And it's gonna be a healthy breakfast routine for the entire week. Beginning with Monday. Now beginning with Monday, I have poha for my breakfast. So let's see मैंने कैसे अपना पोहा बनाया and उसको enjoy किया.
एंड नाउ फॉर द पोहा, मैंने एक कढ़ाई में एकदम हाफ टेबल स्पून बहुत थोड़ा सा ऑयल लिया है. उसमें अपने पीनट्स को रोस्ट कर लेना. उसमें फिर आप अनियन एंड ग्रीन चिलीज डाल सकते हो. थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर लीव्स भी डाल सकते हो. मैंने तो वो लास्ट में डाला है, बट यू कैन इंस्टेड पुट एट दिस पॉइंट एज वेल. थोड़ा सा नमक डालिए एंड अपने जो पोहा है उसको अच्छे से धो के रखा हुआ है उसमें अपना हल्दी मिक्स कर लेना है. एंड देन ऐड एंड मिक्स ऑल टुगेदर अलॉन्ग विद योर करी लीव्स एंड इट्स वेरी डिलीशियस. यू कैन नाउ चेरिश योर पोहा.
And now for Tuesday, I have a very yummy recipe which is made of oats, yet वो sweet नहीं होगा. Can you believe? Oats yet not sweet. Oats मतलब ही दिमाग में आ जाता है कर्ड से कोई रेसिपी बना होगा, maybe with yogurt or any kind of milk or something like that. But no, my oats recipe is going to be salty and a bit spicy. So let's see मैंने oats के साथ क्या बनाया for my Tuesday. Okay, so this is oats का भुर्जी. You can add maybe a slice of bread or something, but आज I am in a hurry, so मैं सिर्फ oats का भुर्जी बना रही हूँ. It's very simple. पहले oats को grind कर लेना है. So here I have the oats powder और oats flour. आप direct oats flour भी खरीद के ला सकते हैं. उसको water के साथ थोड़ा bind करना है, but एक slurry mixture में. And then उसमें chopped किया हुआ कुछ भी vegetables आप डाल सकते हो. Just like you add to your omelets, maybe you can add onions, you can add chilies, cabbage, bell peppers, broccoli and anything and everything. जितना जल्दी हो सुबह उतना कम डाल सकते हैं जैसे कि मैंने आज किया. But if you are not in a hurry, anything you can add. Just mix it and fry it, but shallow fry it with the help of butter, and then you can enjoy your oats ka bhurji. And now it's the midweek time. So हमें बहुत सारा एनर्जी चाहिए वीक को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए. अभी भी 2-3 दिन वीक में बाकी है. So I am going to make some delicious pasta. एकदम creamy pasta होगा, but it's gonna be very healthy. So let's see मैंने कैसे अपना पास्ता को enjoy किया. Okay, so for my pasta, first I am taking a little bit of butter. उस पर एक को फोड़ के डाल रहे हैं एंड जस्ट स्क्रैम्बलिंग इट सो दैट वी कैन गेट अ स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग. उसके बाद वापस उसी पैन में थोड़ा सा बटर लेके वी नीड टू ऐड ऑनियंस एंड चिलीज एंड इफ यू हैव एनी अदर वेजीज यू कैन ऐड एज वेल. मैं तो अभी बस फटाफट ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए इतना ही डाल रही हूँ. Just toss it a bit and then add your pasta which is already boiled and soaked. I'm adding it and now I'm adding salt, oregano, chili flakes and letting it sit for a little while. And then finally I am going to add my cheese to get that creamy texture so that I can enjoy a healthy yet creamy and delicious pasta. This is a really easy to make and very quick recipe. You can definitely try it out. नाउ आई हैड पास्ता yesterday, so आज उसको compensate करने के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा healthy होना is necessary, right? So what shall I have? I'm going to have a roll in my breakfast today. But roll मतलब कुछ spicy and बहुत oily नहीं होने वाला. Don't worry. My roll is going to be very very healthy and super yummy. Let's see कैसे बनाए and enjoy किए मैंने अपना रोटी roll. So now I am going to make my roti roll. For this roti roll you need a chapati जो मैंने already बना ली है. Now I am going to make an omelette for myself. Again, if you are a vegetarian, you can go for paneer fry instead of the egg fry. So for my egg fry, I am taking an egg. You can also go for 2 eggs, but I am taking just 1 egg. You will add a little bit of salt, onions, chilies, and then you need to mix it very well, and just your fried egg is ready. So now here I have my roti, I have my omelette which is topped upon my roti, and I will add a little bit of salad seasoning on top of this. Now you, instead of the salad dressing, you can also go for mayonnaise, but I really like it and enjoy this salad dressing so much that I am adding it over here. You can also add some mozzarella on top of it. I am going to add some chili flakes and oregano, Italian herbs as well, so that it gives me a kind of a pizza taste. Now I am just going to roll it and enjoy my yummy healthy roti roll. Okay, so it's time for the Friday breakfast, and I'm going to make a sandwich for my Friday. As it is, I was running a bit late for my Friday morning, so मैंने जल्दी एक bread का sandwich बना लिया, and let's see मैंने वो कैसे बनाया. Now for my sandwich, I have a slice of bread topped with a slice of cheese, and here I have my boiled egg. अब अगर egg नहीं खाते, if you are a vegetarian, you can definitely go for paneer slices just instead of my egg slices. Now उसके ऊपर आप अपना चिली फ्लेक्स डाल लीजिए, थोड़ा सा ऑरिगेनो ऐड कर लीजिए, एंड सॉल्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट. बस आपका सैंडविच ऑलमोस्ट रेडी है. Now you need to microwave it for around 40 to 45 seconds, and then just उसको निकालिए. You will get a very cheese melted creamy kind of sandwich which is very yummy and very tasty, believe me. Cut it down into pieces. I have just done 2 slices over here, and enjoy with any kind of homemade chutney or sauce, and I will say just enjoy it as it is. It tastes delicious. So with this, I end my video over here today. But if you guys like it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more such videos. I shall be bringing you guys more parts of what I ate for my dinner, lunch and so on. So for today, bye bye, take care, stay tuned with us and stay vaccinated. See you soon. I'm providing my Facebook and Insta handles over here. Please don't forget to follow me so that we can be more connected with each other.